In this video, we'll look at the median and mode functions in Excel. The median function gives you the middle of the set of numbers. So to do it, we're going to take this set of numbers here and find the median of each of the lists. So the function is simply equals median, and then the range or the numbers. And in this case, it's 5 for the boys, equals median, and the range, and there we go. If there's an even number of numbers in your range, then median will calculate the average of the two numbers in the middle. If it's an odd number of numbers in your range, then you'll simply get the middle number. The mode function will return the most frequently occurring number in your range. So we're going to go equals mode, and once you start typing it, you'll see there's actually three options here. Mode is the older version of the function. Excel has since replaced it with this Mode.Sngl and Mode.Mult. We'll use this Mode.Sngl as it's the closest to what we want here. And we simply have the range of numbers, and we'll get the most repetitive number in the list, which in this case is 6. We do it for the boys, and you can use the normal mode function, but according to Microsoft, it may not be available in future versions of Excel. It's currently in here for backwards compatibility, but the function looks exactly the same in that you just have the function and the range. And in this case, the mode of the boys list is 8. Next, we'll look at the power function, which, as the name suggests, simply calculates a number to a certain power. This can also be accomplished by using the caret operator, which is above the 6 on the keyboard, which will work out the powers as well. Or you can use the equals power, and then take your two numbers, the base number and then the power number, and get the same the answer. Finally, we have the today and now functions. These have no arguments between the brackets. Today gives you the current date, and now gives you the current date and time. And as you can see, when I type them, there's nothing between the brackets. It's simply equals now, open and close brackets. Similarly, equals today, open and close brackets.